Ever thought that being alone could be your hidden strength? Or that a messy room might be messing with your head? We often overlook simple steps that can boost our mental health. Here are 3 easy tricks supported by science to help you care for your mind. Schedule time to be alone. Taking time for yourself can do wonders for your mental health. It's not about just being alone. It's about choosing to have that quiet time. This choice, according to research, can help keep your mood steady and calm. When you're alone by choice and focus on good thoughts, it helps you stay relaxed, less stressed, and in a good mood. So try setting some time aside each day for just you and your thoughts. It's a simple step, but it can make a big difference in how you feel overall. Think of it as a way to give yourself a peaceful moment in a busy day. Clean your space. Did you know that how you see your home can change how you feel? For example, when women see their spaces as cluttered, they often feel more tired, sad, and stressed. But cleaning isn't just about a tidy room. It's also a chance to be mindful. In one experiment, students who washed dishes mindfully, paying attention to the smell, the water, and their sensations, felt 27% less nervous and 25% more inspired. So, maybe the way to better mental health starts with something as simple as cleaning up that pile of clothes. Adjust your expectations. Did you know that being happy isn't always about what's happening now, but more about if it's better or worse than what you expected? Often when things don't go as we hope, we feel upset and stressed. This is completely normal. Though, maybe the answer to feeling better is to expect a little less from ourselves and others. This doesn't mean you shouldn't have any hopes. Instead, try not to focus too much on everything being perfect. Work on being more flexible and understanding. This way, you might enjoy the unexpected and discover that happiness often lies in the journey, not just the destination. So, small things like taking time for yourself, keeping your space clean, or changing your expectations can make a big difference. In our fast world, real happiness might be in these simple acts. As they say, don't just add days to your life, add life to your days. Thank you for watching and see you next time.